In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix live view is not available right now on the Amazon Alexa app. Let's get started. First, make sure you are using a VPN or proxy as this can prevent Alexa from connecting to your camera. Also check that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Next up, clear cache for the app. For that, launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage. Now from the list of apps, find Amazon Alexa and launch it. Now click on a float app, confirm it, then click on reinstall app. If you're using Android device, press and hold on the app, select app info, go to storage, click on clear cache. Next up, head back. Now scroll all the way down, go to apps. From the list of apps, find Amazon Alexa and launch it. Now here you're gonna find the option of camera, microphone. Toggle on for those. Next, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Amazon Alexa. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, try to access Amazon Alexa using the web version. So launch your preferred browser, type in alexa.amazon.com. Finally, if none of these solutions work, the issue may be caused by a temporary Amazon server problem. Wait a few minutes and try again later. That's how you can easily fix live view is not available right now here on the Amazon Alexa app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.